Do you feel like your money disappears before the month ends? You're not alone. Budgeting is the key to taking control of your finances. Today, I'll show you a simple step-by-step guide to budgeting your money every month and week. Step 1. Track your income. Write down your total income for the month, including salary, side hustles, or any extra cash. Step 2. List all your expenses. Begin with fixed costs like rent, bills, and groceries. Then include variable costs such as eating out, shopping, and entertainment. The goal is to see exactly where your money goes. Step 3. Categorize and prioritize. Essentials include rent, food, and transportation. Non-essentials are dining out, subscriptions, or entertainment. Prioritizing your essentials helps prevent overspending and keeps your finances under control. Step 4. Set spending limits for each category. For example, if your groceries cost 5,000 BDT, stick to it. For non-essential expenses, allocate a smaller portion of your budget. This ensures you don't overspend and can save regularly.
Step 5. Weekly review. Check your spending weekly and adjust your budget if needed.
A weekly review helps you catch overspending before it becomes a problem. Step 6. Save first, spend later. Transfer a set amount to your savings account as soon as you get your income. Even small amounts add up over time. Step 7. Adjust and improve. Track your results, see what works, and make changes as needed.
Over time, your budgeting skills will improve, and you'll have more control over your money.
And that's it! A beginner's guide to budgeting your money step by step. Start tracking, prioritize, save first, and adjust as you go. If you follow these steps, you'll never feel out of control with your money again. Thank you for watching. Start budgeting today and take control of your money. Helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple money tips.